Papa's got a brand new bag, and it's the devil's tank bag, the Giant Loop Diablo. Let's take a look at how I use this on our journeys. Well, first of all, the outside. I keep the necessary Moto photo stickers so that we can hand out to all those who are interested and even to those who aren't. Easy access. We also have the zipper that allows you to remove it entirely or flip it over to access the gas tank. I like that very much. But then, if you zip it all the way off, it comes all the way off. That way the devil can take his tank bag inside. Two zippers, one on each side. By the way, I also keep a Moto photo on the outside, just in case somebody wants to observe our bikes while we are not with them. They can still see where we are. Open it up. Let's start with the lid. Here's the access to the map pocket. I don't know who uses maps anymore. Then inside we have extra things. I have a kickstand bypass just in case that breaks on the trail. I can attach that to my motorcycle. I have my registration. I have an extra key. I have a Sharpie and a pen in case anyone needs an autograph. And then inside a little bag, I carry a couple of extra little things that you might need. Earplugs, Allen key, tire gauge, a tire pressure gauge, etc., etc. And that I keep here for easy access in the mornings if I want to check my tire pressure, or if on the trail I want to lower or raise it for the conditions that we're riding in. Let's move on to the interior of the bag and show you what I keep in there for our trips. This is a think tank card and GoPro battery case. I don't keep the GoPro batteries in here, but I do keep the cards. The reason I don't keep the batteries in here is because I kind of bend it into shape, but also because I have a battery charger for the GoPros, USB-C, that I can either hook to the USB adapter that can go into the dash of my motorcycle, and I can charge this if it ever gets low, or I can hook it to a portable battery that I could put inside the bag as well. I keep extra batteries for the camera, and speaking of the camera, there's enough room for my Nikon Z30. Right there in the bottom where I can access it, keeps it safe and protected, locks it securely with the nice Velcro divider. Speaking of the Velcro divider, I like it very much because it has some pockets on it where I keep my USB-C charging cord, my lightning charging cord, and also my Sena charging cord, which is currently connected to my jacket so that I can run it up to my helmet. I carry a glasses case, and I carry a phone holder. I also carry some paperwork, a Moto Camp nerd neckerchief, and if we hit some rain and my phone is still on the outside, a rain protector for my iPhone. Now, of course, you can use this bag for anything that you would like. All the things, you can put your M&Ms in there and your beef jerky in there. Or you could put, you know, things that are handy for your particular trip. And in our trip, in our case, we use this for easy access to all of the things that we use to record our journeys. Everybody packs different, and even I pack different depending on the adventure that we're having. This is the Giant Loop Diablo. The devil would be proud.